Hey guys, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie and this is another Smash Your Stash video. And if you watch some of my recent videos, you know that in the month of July I am celebrating Christmas, aka Christmas in July. And so I'm trying to tie this theme in with all the challenges that I'm currently participating in. So for this month's challenge, I'm going to be focusing on this SCT Sampler Kit from November 2022, which features Winter Wonderland collection, as well as Lawn Fawn. So enough talking, I better get crafting. I'm running out of time, and before you know it, I'll be right back with the projects that I made using these supplies. Okay, so what do I have left from the kit? I have one piece of Lawn Fawn and one piece from the Spellbinders. That is just gonna make its way into my holiday kit of miscellaneous supplies. I have a small scrap, and these are basically just mostly the inner pieces from the words, and there is an ampersand. To be honest, I don't think I'm going to keep this for that one symbol, so that is going to be being recycled. And then I have one little, I think this is like a figgy pudding or something, which I might just stick on the inside of a card to be done with. Okay, so what did I make? I made 26 cards. Now, to be fair, you guys, these are rather simplistic cards, but overall I think they turned out okay. So I made some mini slimline, so let's start with those first. And basically what I was trying to do was maximize the paper use. I also used this striped washi, which I don't remember where it's from, probably Freckled Fawn, and a scalloped washi from Felicity Jane, and I used up a thin gold foil washi, so bonus on that. So like I said, these are mini slimline, and I just paired up the Lawn Fawn paper with a coordinating Spellbinders paper to just try and mix and match and maximize the paper usage. These stamped images I had pre-stamped. They were in my little Christmas kit. Same with the star. This was washi tape I had in my kit as well. Some of these, like I said, are super simple, but I just thought let the paper do the work for you instead of making it more complicated. This was a die cut I also had in my kit, and I thought it kind of went together with the mistletoe and holly. And this Deck the Halls was something I had in my die cut sticker binder. It was an acetate, which I just adhered with a stapler. And this was also in my die cut sticker binder. So I did pull out a few extras to make these work. These are regular A2 size cards. This one I went heavy on the die cuts that came in the kit. Same principle though, the Lawn Fawn paper paired up with the Spellbinders. Some of these need some enamel dots or glitter drops or whatever. I just haven't done them yet because they're going to need to dry, and I did want to share with you the projects. So the other technique that I used is something that I pulled from Crafty Al's sheet load of cards, where she takes cardstock and cuts, let's say, 3 sheets in a similar manner, and then mixes and matches and pairs them up. So again, some of these images, like these, were pre-stamped. Same with these tags; they were pre-stamped in my kit. So by mixing and matching, you get a variety of cards, but they're all basically the same design. And then the last set, I started off with this little banner here, but I decided that I didn't care for that, and so I switched over to this layered look instead. This is a piece of wood veneer from my stash. I had a couple pieces of that. Die cuts that came with the kit. This was washi tape. And again, like I said, super simple, just paper and a little bit of washi. And I don't think it needs anything else. So that is it for this month's Smash Your Stash. I smashed one kit which I am pleased with. Made 26 cards. Be sure to check out the other collaborators. This was Smash Your Stash 2023. It is a collaboration hosted by Beth over at Bourbon Creek Crafts. It's a hashtag collaboration, which means if you click on the hashtag in the description or in the title of this video, you will be able to see all the other participants. I hope this encourages you to make some simple cards this month and let the pretty paper do the work for you. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and until next time, happy crafting.